Here's a mock-up of the Guide to Utah Birds that I'm working on, what I've got done so far. Parts of the bird here, got this on the end papers for easy reference, and on the back end paper I've got a more detailed description of markings. The introductory stuff is mostly not written yet. There's going to be a dichotomous key to the families of the birds of Utah. Then the color plates, each species, all the different plumages of the different species are illustrated. We've got flight images showing the dorsal side on the left side, the upper side, and the ventral side, the underside, on the right side. And then each species is described, their field marks are described of the different plumages, tells when, what time of year, and how common they are with the range map. And then a page number showing where in the text to find them, find a more complete description of all the identification marks, similar species, voice, distribution, habitat, nest, the subspecies found in the state, and then a paragraph at the end of each entry saying something interesting about their natural history. And then each family is described ahead of time, and it tells you what to look for within that family to distinguish the different species. So we've got swans and geese here, large dabbling ducks and bay ducks. These are all males. And then the females of the same species, large dabbling ducks and bay ducks. Then small dabbling ducks and some sea ducks, all males. And then the females of the same species. And then some more sea ducks, males and females. The quail and partridges, turkey and pheasant, grouse, grebes and loons, pigeons and doves and cuckoos, goatsuckers and swifts, and hummingbirds, and pelicans and cormorants and cranes and rails. Some of these plates don't have the flight images yet. The recurve ostriches and the plovers, the large sandpipers, medium-sized sandpipers, showing the different breeding, non-breeding, and juveniles. Then the small sandpipers. Large gulls. Gulls, most of our gulls go through a lot of transitions over their life, so there are a lot of images of each species, the breeding, non-breeding, the first and second cycles, the first year and second year, they go through through a molt in each of those cycles. Then the medium-sized gulls, small gulls, and terns. Herons and ibises, and vultures, osprey, and the two eagles. The harrier and the true hawks and the bootios. These are our rare bootios, the bootios that are rare in our region. And the common bootios. These are all red-tailed hawks here, the most variable bird species in our area. Large owls, small owls, the typical woodpeckers, and sapsuckers, and the three-toed woodpecker, and the kingfisher and the falcons. And then all the passerine birds, I still have to paint the plates for all of them. The text is pretty much finished. Still have to little bit of fine tuning that I have to do, but it's all basically written, the meat of it. And then I've got appended materials with all the accidental species that have been recorded in the state, with a paragraph describing each one, how to distinguish it from similar species, and when and where they've been seen in the state, and then a glossary, and that's pretty much it.